Hello everyone, this is KinCony IoT lessons. This is lesson 4. I will show you the smart solution of IR device. The IR means infrared device. So let's begin. For IR. What device is IR? You commonly used like the TV or DVD, maybe your fan or your air conditioner. Maybe you have a TV and a DVD and one fan and the air conditioner. The IR device, maybe you have these 3 types, and you will have many other IR device. They all have a remote. This is a remote. Because the TV, we can use the remote to control, change the channel or change the volume. Of the DVD, we can skip next video or previous video. And the fan, we can change the speed, low speed, high speed, middle speed. Or the air conditioner, we can change the temperature and the work mode. So all this device will have a remote. So we need to let this device, traditional device, become smart. So we can add a wireless gateway. This is KC868G. This can send the IR signal. The principle is we can learning the signal. The principle is we can learning the signal, the remote, to the gateway, like the TV. Power on and the DVD next video, so we can learning the signal, and then we can send the signal. The learning code send this device, so we can control the device instead of manual control by this remote, and this we can use mobile phone to control the gateway. Maybe you can use PC software, or you can use other platform software like Home Assistant or like Node-RED or other software. Just send a command to the gateway and send the signal to the device have learned. So this is the easy way to control all these devices that have the remote. And 3, we can see the signal type of the IR device. Maybe you have press a button like a button. When you press, there will be composed with many signals. Maybe if you have turn on the TV, power on, or you can press the DVD like the pause. So we send a signal. This signal is the code of the button. And the second, the different is the air conditioner. The air conditioner will have many signals. The length was more long than this simple function. Yes, this is air conditioner. Like this, if you want the air conditioner work at 20 centigrade, and there will be also include the speed of the fans. and also have the work mode, like maybe cool or maybe hot. So this whole signal is for air conditioning. This is for temperature, and this is for speed, and this is the work mode. So all this signal, when you press a button, these three information have been sent. But this button, just power on, pause, or other function, just only one function. So the length is short, and this length is long. So when we read and learning the air conditioning, make sure the difference is if you have this 20 temperature, there will be two work mode. One is the cool mode, and the other is the hot. So when you're learning the temperature, you need to make sure the temperature is in cool work mode when you're learning, or the temperature is in hot work mode you are learning. So we'll send a different signal. And another example, when you control the power on and the power off of the air conditioning. When you learning the power on, it will have these three information, like the temperature and the speed. Maybe the speed is low and the work mode is cool. So all information will send it. And if you have used the power off button learning, so this is one command. This is only one command for power off, not include this information. So when you power on, so you need to make sure you remote the current, the work mode, and the speed, fan speed, and the temperature. You need to make sure. So when the power on, you send this information at one signal. Okay, this is the principle, just learning the signal and send to the device. And this is the signal compose. And the fourth, we can say how to place the gateway to the operation. If you have a room, this is a TV. This is a TV. Maybe this is air conditioning. Beside the TV, this is TV. This is air conditioning. So we can put the gateway in front of this device because there are IR transmit inside of the gateway. So it have many different directions to send the signal. So you can place the device in this place, in this position, or maybe in this position, in this position, in this position. All is no problem. Just the gateway can send the signal directly. And if you have another room, this is another room. This is the wall. And this position have an air conditioning. So if you want to let this gateway to send the information, send the signal to this air conditioning, this is wrong. The signal can't go through the wall and send to the air conditioning. So in different room, you need to put another new gateway. This is a new gateway, and this gateway can send signal to the device maybe in this place, so it can send to different directions. And this gateway all in connect with the internet. So you can use a mobile phone. This is a mobile phone. The gateway is inside. And this gateway also is inside. So you need just one application to control different gateway and control the different device, electronic device, all in one application. And also maybe you have the DVD or STB or fan. Maybe it have a fan. So just use one gateway is enough. Not need to put many. If there is a one at this, and this is a device, so this signal can't send to this device. You need to put a new gateway, for this for this device. So this is the principle of the wireless IR device, the wireless solution used by mobile phone. And this is how to place the gateway in room, how to choose the position. Okay, now you can understand the IR signal and the principle how to place the gateway, and you can, according to your room, your size, and the device position, you can change how many gateway to place and where to place the gateway. Okay, thanks for watching.